Hello traders. Today we are looking at the Market Imbalance Indicator for MetaTrader 4. This tool automatically identifies and highlights fair value gaps and imbalance zones on your chart. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports. Alright, there we have it. So you can see, if you look closely in yellow, on the chart, the indicator draws colored rectangles or zones, as you can see here, where it detects a gap in price action between three consecutive candles. These highlighted areas represent imbalances where price moved quickly without significant opposing activity. Some traders observe whether the price returns to fill these zones or respects them as areas of interest. As for the indicator settings, the settings allow you to adjust the minimum gap size required for detection, change the colors for bullish and bearish imbalance zones, and choose whether to display only recent zones or all historical ones. You can also control the opacity and line style of the zone markers. As for who this indicator is for, the the indicator is designed for traders who study price action concepts like fair value gaps and market structure. It is a visual and analytical tool only and does not execute trades or provide entry and exit signals. Not all imbalance zones will lead to a meaningful price reaction, so additional confirmation from other analysis is essential. If you would like to download this tool or learn more, I've included a link in the description below. This has been another video from the Forex Geek. If you found it useful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.